finally getting rid of that piece of crap. That window in the bathroom, I hate it. Now there's a picture window for you. Sounds like he's having fun on the other side. What you doing back there, Dad?
Babysitting.
Babysitting.
Actually, if you want to consider it dog sitting.
Puppy sitting. What you guys doing?
Tell Grandma what you're doing.
Says I'm being good and it's not easy. No, stay there.